Hi sweetlings, it's me again, Yulie, your certified healthcare virtual assistant, social media manager, and content creator. If napanood nyo na po yung last video ko about phone certification, introduce ko doon na may TikTok account ako. And yung content ng TikTok account ko is same here sa YouTube na about work from home and hellorache. And there's this one video na hindi ko talaga makakalimutan kasi nag-gain ako ng maraming questions about doon. And that video is about free certifications, free trainings, kung saan pwede makita yung mga trainings na may free certifications, ganon. And I think I can totally understand why I'm getting that amount of questions. Since may pandemya ngayon, a lot of people were open to working from home. One of the ways to qualify for a working from home job is if you have the skills. And para may skills ka, dapat may training ka. And let's say if wala ka pang money to get that certain skill or a certain training, maghahanap ka talaga ng website kung saan pwede makakuha ka ng free training with certificate. Now in today's video, I'm going to share to you guys ways on how you can get free trainings with certificates. Now, before going to the topic, let me just share to you guys a brief story on how I started working from home. This is for those people na baguhan pa lang sa channel ko. And if you find this video interesting, just click that subscribe button, click the notification bell, para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita. So sa mga hindi nakakaalam, I am a registered nurse here in the Philippines with roughly 5 years of experience. And when I became a mom and na-realize ko na wala akong future as a nurse here sa Philippines kasi nga underpaid yung mga nurses, I decided na to start working from home. And the starting process, talagang napakahirap. Kapag hindi ka marunong mag-search, kung hindi mo alam kung saan maghanap, talagang magkakapaka sa dilim. This is the reason why nag-start ako ng YouTube channel kasi alam ko yung struggle. Napakahirap talaga. Going back to the story, yung mga website, job sites na pinupuntahan ko, yung mga job descriptions nila, though entry level, nagre-require sila ng experience, skills, and wala ko noon. Wala akong mga skills na hinahanap nila. And the next thing na ginawa ko is yung first way na pwede mong gawin para makakuha ka ng free training with certificates. Yan ay maghanap ng client at company na nag-o-offer ng free training with certificates. Talagang nung mga times na naghahanap ako ng mga ganong client or ganong company, inaabot talaga ako ng madaling araw palang makahanap lang, and talagang few lang sa kanila na nagbibigay ng ganitong opportunity. This is also the reason why I applied hellorache kasi nagbibigay sila ng free training. And luckily, na-hire sa hellorache. Noong 2019, batch 31. So sa mga ka-batchmates ko dyan, so if you are a medical professional or allied health professional, visit our description box below if you want to know more about hellorache and if you want to apply. At kahit na nakapasok na ako sa hellorache, hindi doon nagtatapos yung pagsasearch ko ng mga websites na nag-o-offer ng mga training with certificates. Talagang naghanap pa ako kasi gusto kong ma-improve yung skills na meron ako at gusto ko din continuous yung learning. And these websites na na-compile ko are Google Garage, LinkedIn Learning, Coursera, and Alison.com. And I'm going to discuss to you guys how these websites work. Now, let's discuss first Google Digital Garage. First, i-google nyo muna itong Google Digital Garage and then ito yung makikita mong homepage niya. You can explore the website, and if tapos ka na mag-explore sa website, pwede ka na mag-register. May account ako dito, but for this tutorial, gagawa tayo ng bago. Now, you can sign in with Google or continue with email. Always make sure na you are using your business email or your professional email. Now, the only free course that you can find here is the fundamentals of digital marketing. And if you're into digital marketing like me, grab this chance to take this course. Though 40 hours yung course, but self-paced po siya. Let's take a look on the left side of your screen. Here, you can choose the time, free ba or paid certificates yung gusto mo, beginner ba, intermediate, and the courses. So ako, yung pinili ko is yung free certificate na yung Fundamentals of Digital Marketing. Unfortunately, hindi ko pa po natapos itong course na to. But here is the sample certificate once you finish the course. Next is LinkedIn Learning. So I also featured this LinkedIn Learning on my TikTok account, and most of the questions I receive sa comment section and sa DM ko sa aking TikTok, hindi nila alam na may LinkedIn Learning pala. Alam nila na may LinkedIn, but hindi nila alam na may LinkedIn Learning. And I bet some of you here don't know as well na may LinkedIn Learning. I even received question. Unfortunately, hindi ko na makita yung message niya kasi natatabunan na siya sa dami ng message na natatanggap ko sa TikTok. And yung question niya, legit ba yung LinkedIn Learning? And talaga bang may makukuha kang certificate? And of course, I asked her if may LinkedIn account pa siya. She said yes, so I visually instructed her na open up her account, and on the upper right corner of her screen, she can see the square dots. Yung learning sa akin, naka-separate kasi naka-premium account yung LinkedIn account ko. Now, if you sign up for LinkedIn Learning, it will give you 30 days access to all courses with certificates po yan. Now, ginamit ko po yung free 30 days para makuha po yung mga skills na pwede kong magamit sa work ko. Kaya kinuha ko tong phone-based customer service and the others. Here is the sample certificate once you finish the course. Now, hindi lang professional social media and training website si LinkedIn, job site din po siya. Now, a lot of CEO, business owners may LinkedIn account po because they're trying to build connection. They use this connection to gather leads, website visits, and brand awareness. There are also instances na yung mga clients or mga business owners, hindi nila alam kung gaano ka-importante kapag may LinkedIn account ka. So, yung LinkedIn account is a social media website. Yes, it is a social media website, but for professional. So, it's a professional social media website. So, there's this one experience na na-remember ko lang just now na yung client ko gusto niya mag-expand ng awareness ng kanyang business. And hindi niya alam kung paano. So, pero hindi alam ng client ko na I am a social media manager and content creator. But I suggested to her now, create a LinkedIn account. And then she said to me na, is that important? So, syempre, I explained to her the importance why you should do or should make a LinkedIn account. It's good that you have the knowledge on how the social media websites works. Para you can do trial and error and see what social media website that works best for your business and for your brand. Now, let's go to Coursera. First is Google Coursera, and ito po yung homepage niya. And then again, you can explore the website. If you're done exploring the website, you're ready to join for free. Again, you can use your professional email or business email here. I have already an account here, but for this tutorial, we'll use my other email address. Now, once you're done, click join for free. Once you're in, click explore. Now, let's take a look on the left side of your screen. You can see here, take a free course, earn a degree, earn certificate. As you can see here, I choose earn certificate. You can search for the skill or the training that you want. As for me, I want the business certificate. Once you scroll down, you can see the list of business certificates that you can get here. You can also save the training that you want. And as for now, I would like to take this Facebook social media marketing. Now, this is what you see next once you click the training that you want. Now, it will also show you how many days this course is for free. March this year ako nag-register noon sa Coursera, and yung mga courses nila noon, 30 days free siya. For this tutorial, I'm going to sign up for this course. But for you to enroll for this free course, you'll have to give them your credit card account, debit account, or PayPal account. Once you're done, you'll see something like this. I'm still on the first week of my course, and I'm going to show you around. You can download this video and you can also take notes. By the way, you can also choose what type of video you want to download. Here is the sample certificate once you finish the course. Now, let's go to Alison.com. For the sign up, you can follow the same process we did earlier. What you can see here is the same with the other training websites. On the left side, you can choose what courses, what time, and if it's for free. What I don't like with this website is that every topic may ads siya. And most of the courses you can find here ay parang nagbabasa ka lang ng libro. But you can still take notes and download the file. The next thing that I don't like with Alison is that you will need to pay for the certificate. Kahit na free yung course na kinuha natin, but when the training is done, the certificate, you'll have to pay for it. The good thing though is you can get the learner achievement verification. You can automatically add this to your LinkedIn account. You can download this as well. Here is my downloaded form of learner achievement verification, and I have already added this skill to my LinkedIn account. Na kung papipiliin ko regardless if the website, a training website is free or paid, saan sa apat yung pipiliin ko? So, kung babasihan yung application, yung organization, yung flow ng training, I would choose LinkedIn Learning and then Coursera. Huwag kayo collect ng certificate, skills, kung hindi nyo naman i-apply yung mga skills na natutunan nyo. Kasi parang wala din. I-apply nyo naman. Practice and exposure. Yun. So yung way ko para ma-apply yung mga skills na natutunan ko is by managing and analyzing my social media accounts and managing my siblings' business in exchange of testimonials. So yun, para ma-build yung portfolio ko. I think that's all for today's video. Again, if you're new here to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Click that notification bell para kapag may bagong videos ako, ikaw yung unang makakakita. See you guys in my next video. Bye, siblings. Take care. Please follow my other social media accounts for you to get a chance to be featured on my next video. Leave a comment below for your questions and suggestions, or take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.